In this tutorial, we'll explore the new custom panels in globcon. Flexible windows where you can organize multiple floating objects and even combine them with other software interfaces for a unified workspace. To open the custom panels, go to the Layout menu and choose Custom Panels. You'll see a list of 12 panels that you can select and customize. Let's open one to get started. To add a floating object to a custom panel, right-click on it, go to Custom Panels, and choose one of the 12 available panels. Each new object will appear starting from the top left corner, and the next ones will be placed to the right. The same floating object can be placed in multiple custom panels by manually adding it to each desired panel. You can also add floating objects from different devices into the same custom panel. If you want to add several channel strips together, use the multi-selection shortcuts to select the channels. Then right-click on the selection, go to Custom Panels, and choose the panel where you want to place them. Now, when you move the custom panel window, all the floating objects inside will move together as one group. If you want to remove an object, right-click on it and choose Remove from Custom Panels. As before, if you want to remove multiple channel strips at once, use the multi-selection shortcut. Right-click the selection and choose Remove from Custom Panels. At the moment, the following floating objects can be added to a custom panel. Once your objects are inside a custom panel, you can customize it further. Right-click on the top bar of the panel and select Edit Label to rename it. A small text box will appear. Type a new name and press Enter to confirm. The new label will be shown both on the panel's title bar and in the Custom Panels menu. To rearrange the objects, click the Edit button on the top bar. When Edit mode is active, you can drag and move each object to your preferred position. All objects will show a dashed orange outline, which becomes solid when an object is selected. By default, Snap to Grid is turned on. This feature helps you align objects neatly to an invisible grid. If you want more freedom, click the same button on the top bar to turn it off. Once disabled, you can move the objects anywhere you like. You can change the panel's background color by clicking the color button on the top bar. A dedicated color panel will open, where you can adjust and save your preferred color. If you prefer to remove the background completely, right-click the same button and select Remove Background. The panel will now be transparent, allowing you to click through it, which is especially useful when combining different software layouts. You can also get almost the same result by setting a color and lowering its opacity down to 0. But if opacity is set higher than 0, clicking through the panel will not be possible. This can be useful when you want to monitor third-party software while avoiding the risk of clicking on it. To resize the custom panel, use the scale arrows on the top bar. You can increase or decrease the scale in 10% steps, from 50% up to 200%. You can also select the scale box and use the up and down keys on your keyboard to adjust the size. All changes to a custom panel are stored automatically, but to keep them after restarting globcon, you need to save your globcon project. Custom panels can also be included when you save and recall a layout. Thanks for watching. Download globcon for free from the link in the description and subscribe to stay updated on the next tutorials. For more information, visit DirectOut.eu.